Wanakaa kule. Kuna vitu mingi. That's a lot of stuff.
For me, can I get
The retail aspect of the deal. And so I talked to Linda on Friday.
This is a Thai restaurant. I'm about to have some calamari. Sure, I will enjoy it. It's cucumber, there's some basil, there's some meat. I can see some raisins. Ooh, that looks good. Yes, sir. We're all having the same thing. I'm telling you, this food is so nice. And it has just a bit of pepper. So good. And the pineapples are well cooked. You have no idea. It even has some nuts, some eggs. I think these are cashew nuts. Some cashew nuts, egg fried rice, some raisins. Wow. What's the name of the food we just had?
This is fried rice.
Fried rice?
Yeah.
Or just
It's pineapple fried rice.
pineapple fried rice. So good.
Can he get a Fanta?
And I wash it down with a cold Fanta orange, heavy on the ice. That is so good. You can see how hot it is outside. Egg fried rice and a cold Fanta. This is so good.
Enjoy, guys.